right, so now it's time for another edition of Would You Rather. This is the Bible version. So we're presented with scenarios and then we decide which we would prefer. Chef, somebody asking where you get fresh lamb to buy. You here? So don't leave until we have that discussion. All right.
Have you the... Would you rather have the super strength of Samson or wisdom of Solomon? Wisdom me want.
Yes. Thank you.
Me certainly want the wisdom. What's
Would
number
you
two?
rather have to fight the giant Goliath or fight in a war against the Philistines?
Well, because of what I saw David do, I'll fight Goliath.
Yeah, keep the hammer. I will
Yeah.
I will try to tackle the one man.
Would you rather live through a famine or live through the 10 plagues of Egypt? Famine mean exactly what?
Hunger, no food.
I know,
no...
but like for days, years, months,
you can
weeks.
extended period, but if you can live through it, then...
I don't know if I want the 10 plague them. Plenty plague that, you know.
You ever hungry at Bridget?
Yeah.
Thirsty?
Folks, I feel I went to sneeze one of them time, I say, yeah?
We never answered that last one, so I guess we're moving on. Would you rather spend 1 hour in heaven or 1 week with Jesus on earth?
Both.
I would want to go to heaven.
I would want to go to heaven, but I like spend some time with Jesus to feed me.
I would want to see what this place is that everyone
Yeah.
speaks about.
Number 5, would you rather live on the ark with all these stinky animals that, well, I don't know that them stink, or be stuck in the belly of a large fish?
Am I coming out of the fish belly, Footy?
Yeah. Right now, me work with the ark right now.
Why?
Me in the water thing. I mean, I don't know if me that whale there is shark. As whale?
Jonah was not a shark.
Is that whale?
The smoke is getting into our brains.
What
So
do you think?
you'd rather
No,
be stuck in the belly of the fish?
No, me in the ark.
Or you're in the ark?
Me in the ark. What is that?
Yeah, I think I'd probably stay on the ark as well. I don't know what else is going on in the fish belly, so yeah, no. Would you rather carry the Ark of the Covenant across the Jordan River or carry Jesus' cross to Golgotha?
Golgotha.
The Ark of the Covenant?
Golgotha.
Grateful. Yes, the cross.
Yeah, Golgotha.
Would you rather know what type of fruit Adam and Eve ate or know what Jesus wrote in the sand when people wanted to stone the woman who'd committed adultery?
Then an apple they eat.
That's what the Bible story said.
Yeah, so we don't know that already.
We don't know what Jesus wrote in the sand when people wanted to stone the woman who'd committed adultery? Or do we just know what he said?
No, I didn't know what he wrote.
I don't know what he wrote either. All right, so I would go with what he wrote.
Hold on, what's the other one? So we know the fruit already, so yeah, I would go with what he wrote.
They say that she ate the apple.
It's not an apple, you sound like
That's what
you
it
don't
says.
believe.
I don't know.
You are
Would you
doubting
have-
Simone?
Huh?
You are doubting Simone?
Never. Would you rather have heard one of Jesus' sermons or seen one of his miracles? For sure.
Miracle.
For sure.
Miracle, miracle. Miracle, we say.
For sure. For sure. Of course, you know, Christians celebrate Easter. There are folks who are watching who probably don't celebrate
Yeah.
any of this. But if you are of this persuasion, I guess that would have been your set of questions and you would have played along with us.